Hey everybody, you're traveling with Jack and of course my heavenly wife Pam. Now today the weather is a little gloomy outside, so I'm inside, not out on the trails, but every now and then I like to do some little cooking tips for you. And today we're making a southern delicacy. It's pimento cheese, the caviar of the South. They serve it at the Masters Golf Tournament. It's very popular across the southeastern part of the country, but growing in popularity all across the nation. Now, I've already put some together, but I'm going to show you the key ingredients and how we make this southern delicacy, and it's really not that hard. Now, first of all, of course, you need a really good grated cheese, okay? In this case, I went with a sharp cheddar cheese. You might prefer, though, more of a medium cheese. Just kind of depends on what type of cheese you like. Now, we also like to use Veganese, okay? Veganese as opposed to mayonnaise. But you could use mayo as well. I just kind of like the Veganese. I like the taste. I kind of like the ingredients, too. As you know, we like to keep an eye on what we're putting in our bodies. That cheese I bought was organic as well. So you're going to grate up your cheese, and then a few of the key things. Red cayenne pepper. That's going to give it a kick. Maybe a tablespoon or so. Just do it to taste. I also like to use smoked paprika. A little bit of tarragon. Yeah, tarragon. And then here you go for added kick, green chilies. That's right, green chilies. Now, I've already tossed the jar away that had the red pimentos in it, but you want to get a small jar of red pimentos, depending on how big a serving you're going to make. I made a fairly small one. And then you're just going to mix that all up together, just to the consistency you want. You may be saying, well, how much of that Veganese do I need? Well, it just depends on how much cheese you grate up. Again, you want to have a nice smooth consistency. So here is the end result. And there it is. It is beautiful. And again, I've actually made mine as a little bit more of a dip. For Lent, I gave up sliced bread. I know, not a big deal. But anyway, so I can still have a chip. So we come over here. Oops, let's see here. And we'll get us a little bite. There it is. Does that look good? Yeah. We'll try it. That's delicious, if I do say so myself. Now, something my grandmother used to do with pimento cheese, I don't do it. She would add a little sugar to hers, make it a little sweeter. Just again, depends on what you like. But again, really quick and easy pimento cheese, trust me. Your kids, your family, guests come over and like it, you can put it on sliced bread, make it a sandwich, do like I did, put it on a chip. You can dip celery in it, whatever you want, and it's really, really good. Until we see you again next time, you guys have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, still get out on the trails and get your exercise, and always subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Have a good one, guys.